Hey there, I'm Jenny and this is Lauren and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This is part of our Holiday Hacks video series where we're sharing tips and tricks to make the holidays more manageable.
And today we're talking about desserts and a really simple way to dress up desserts, make them a little fancier.
That's right. So we love starting with a dessert that we can just pick up at the bakery. So for example, we have this gorgeous apple pie and we're going to elevate it a little bit with a homemade bourbon caramel sauce and just drizzle it right over this pie.
Yes, so this caramel sauce is super easy to make. It's 5 ingredients. It's sugar, water, heavy cream, bourbon, and a pinch of salt. And as you can see, number one, it just tastes delicious. But when you drizzle it over the top like this, it just brings it to a whole new level and makes it look really gourmet, and it came together in a matter of minutes.
Yes, and there are so many different uses for this caramel sauce.
Oh yes, you can use it on brownies. So you can pick up brownies from our bakery department, drizzle it over the top.
Cheesecake.
Oh, that would be delicious.
Or simply serving it as a dip for apple slices.
Yes, so easy and makes it look so fancy.
Exactly, and bourbon is super trendy this holiday season, so give your dessert a little bit of oomph with the super simple bourbon caramel sauce.
Yes, so try this hack at home, share it on social media using #HolidayHack. To get more hacks, check out our YouTube channel, and for more recipes just like this one, check out festfoods.com/seasons.
Happy holidays.